Hi, my name is Amanda Gogan, and today we'll be looking at the web presentation tool Emaze. First, go to Google and type in the word Emaze, and it's actually spelled with an E, so you want to go to www.emaze.com. And here's where you would log in with your information, email, and password, and that's where you would sign up for your free account. And I already have one, so I'm going to go to the login page and just log in. I'll be showing you today how to create a presentation. I'll show you a presentation that I've created, and then I will show you how to share that presentation. So first, we'll go to create new presentation. There's a variety of templates that you can choose from, and so you can see there's 39 presentation templates that you have options of. I'm going to click into the newspaper, and they'll give you more themes to choose from, and so I'm going to go with daily news. And so it's going to zoom into the specific section that we are at. And here you can see you have already built into the template a title, some text, a picture. And so you have some options to what you can do with it. And as you can see here, you have your general toolbox information up here, bold, the color of your text, if there's a surrounding color, if you wanted to add paint to it, the text size, the alignment of the text, bullets. This is the fading, so it can fade to a lighter color or dark color, you can see here. If you want to add a link in, paragraph, sound, lock it, the way you want it to zoom in and out. That kind of is the presentation. 3D, if you want to redo something, restart something. So you have a lot of options within it. You can, if you wanted to, just generally type into these, things like that, or you can delete it. And so you can delete it by selecting it and then deleting it over here, or you can also select it and hit backspace. So that's your choices. If you want to undo what you've done, you click those buttons there and it will undo and reset up. Here it will redo it, so it'll do what you've already done and delete things. So kind of your basic thing. Also what you can do is you can add text boxes. So a title text, you can see here it'll pop up in the title section. You could also do a subtitle, which will be a smaller, different type of text, and your general text, which is going to be a text box like that. And so you can make it bigger, smaller, and move it around to based on where you want it to be. So your general things. Then you can also add an image. Here you can browse your computer and select pictures that maybe you've had from a vacation or saved or something like that. Or you can go onto the web and get a URL and add it there. Also, you can do media, which is a video file or audio file, so you can browse and paste a URL here. I've pulled up the lip sync battle from Jimmy Fallon, just as an example. You want to copy that YouTube URL and paste it into this, and then you can add it in. And so it'll have it, and then it can actually play and how big you want it to be. So it's pretty cool. And pretty easy. As you saw, that was very quick and all you have to do. So if you have a video that works well with that presentation, you can do that with no problem. Shapes, if shapes to go around things, to have in the background, to have in the front, that's up to you and your choice. And so they have some things to choose from, and you can scroll down, lots to choose from here. They have kind of your general top things, and then some other shapes, emojis, things like that. Also, you have charts that you can create, your basic column, line, pie charts, organizational charts. And so depending on what you wanted to create, you would click add and it would create it into your template. So that's how that would work. Also, you want to make sure that you're saving your program, and so your presentation, and so you want to type in a presentation title, and so we'll just use example for ours, and that would rename it for us. And you want to continuously remember to save, things like that. And these ones here are going to mainly just have your outline and setup, and this will have how it feeds into it. So where it's going to go next and how it'll enter into it. So that's how that kind of works. And so you can see we're getting new slides over here, and so that's how that's switching over. You also have what's called section titles, so you can type into and add different sections. So we could have example 1 and then add a new section, and that could be example 2 to kind of separate it out for the teacher and how they choose to present it. Also, you can add slides, and you have some choices between what slides you have. You can do a blank one or have ones that include charts, pictures, so on. So depending on what you wanted it to look like, you have those choices. And then again, you can change and adjust your theme at any point if you wanted to switch to a different type of newspaper or journal or anything like that. Once you're finished, you want to make sure that you are saving. Okay, and then you're going to go back to your home page in Emaze. So you just click the Emaze logo up there, and you will have your created example or presentation here. On the side, you can see that you can edit it again. Also, you can duplicate it, so you can recreate it and then adjust it to make a new presentation. You could delete it, you can download it, and you can share it. And so the way that you can share it is by sending it to someone, so typing in a person's email and it will send it from this account. Also, you could share the link or the code. And so that's kind of how it works based on your different account information that you have. So we are just the free version. Pro is going to allow you to share it more and have more storage. Amazing will also have unlimited collaborators, and you can share templates and things like that. And business will be even more. So that would be if you upgraded to more money, but they let you share it at a free level, so that's really cool. And so you can see here, like if I had shared that with someone, it would show up here. Also, you can explore other people's presentations that are public, and so you can look through theirs to get ideas and things like that. And so I'm going to show you my presentation that I've created. You can make it full screen by clicking this arrow down here. Also, you can add a speaker to it to say things like next, back, play, stop, and so on. And then you can click here to see all the different slides that are within it. And so what we're going to do is play it, and so you can see it's going to run through the different slides. If you wanted to not play it, because it does kind of jump if you need more time to talk about what the slide had, you can. And the way you would do that is stop the playing, and you can just click that way, or you can use the arrows just like you do with regular PowerPoint and things like that. Up in this corner, you can see that you have the options to edit again, to duplicate it, to delete, download, print, adjust language, translate it, and then also to share it again. So you have some options. And so if you have any questions about this or any information that you wanted to know in addition, you can please contact me. And you would just log out up here. It's going to have a drop-down menu. You can change your password or log off. And that brings us to the end of our presentation.